Hey guys, welcome to this. Hey guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to review a product which is called as Socifire. And before telling you anything about this product, let me make it very clear that I will get some commissions if you buy this product from the link which is down below. Okay, why I'm getting this? I'm getting this because I will refer you to the product owner or the product creator, and that is why he or she will incentivize me with some but certain commissions without you paying anything extra about the product. Okay, so without further ado, let us start reviewing the product, what the product is, how it will gonna help you out, help you in your business, and what I will be giving you if you get the product from me and not anyone other else. Okay, because I know you must have watched a lot of videos out there in the YouTube search page, but okay, that is okay. What I will be giving you, let me show you. So this is my bonus page, and in my bonus page, as you can see, I have briefed about Socifire a little bit, and in the bottom what you will be getting is the bonus number 1 that I will be giving you is, so let me make it clear before telling you about my bonuses, that what the Socifire thing is. It is a one-click software which will send you traffic to any link of yours. So what you will be doing with that traffic, you will be promoting offers. What offers? You will be promoting affiliate offers, or you can send that traffic to any other places as well. But majorly what the people are most intended to do with traffic is they wanna sell affiliate offers. And how to sell affiliate offers when you have the traffic? But the thing is, what the people majorly falls into, it is a kind of a thing which is called as lack of knowledge. About what? Lack of knowledge about affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, how to know which kind of a product to promote, how to know what platform to choose, or what is the proper strategy to make a product get sold. That is what I will help you with. I will send you a lot of affiliate marketing trainings, affiliate marketing courses from my side as my bonus number 1, which is this one. As you can see, the bonus number 1 is these amount of affiliate marketing courses. All of these will be transferred directly to your account if you buy this product, which is Socifire, from the link which is down below. Okay, as you can see, 16 affiliate marketing courses. There are 16 courses, so there is no way you will not get your base clear regarding the affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing the proper way. I will show you everything step by step in details through all of the courses which I will be sending you if you buy the product from the link from me in the description. Okay, this is only the bonus number 1, which is completely about affiliate marketing, nothing else. You will get tremendous knowledge about affiliate marketing. There is no way you will miss anything about this field. Okay, bonus number 2 which I will be giving you is again, which will just compensate, or not compensate, but it will enhance the power or ability of using the Sociempire, because the Sociempire will send you a lot of traffic to any link. That is what I will also give you. If you means, it will enhance its ability, because I will give you as my bonus number 2 a lot of knowledge regarding to traffic, which traffic to choose, how to use traffic, and a lot of stuff regarding to traffic. So the bonus number 2, as you can see, it is 6 traffic courses. In these traffic courses, you will get to know everything about traffic, how to use it, and what proper traffic to choose for a particular product, and a lot of stuff which I will be giving you as my bonus number 2. Okay, and then the bonus number 3, which is my personal favorite, is it is completely my very special bonus which I will give you, which do not directly relates with Sociempire as the previous 2 bonuses did, but this bonus will help you out in your journey of making money online. If you want to make money online, then this bonus number 3 that I will be giving you will help you out in making more money. Means 2 or 3 times more money which you will be otherwise have made through just the Socifire. Okay, I am not means doing anything extra. I'm not telling you anything means overrated or something. This is what I will give you as a bonus number 3. As you can see, there is 9 money making courses. If you are able to see, watch it. 9 money making courses which I will be giving you. As you can see, the Profit Factory, El Bandito, from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, 0 hour work days, breakthrough, lost code, mobile, easy passive paydays, secret weapon. All of these will be transferred directly to your account if you buy the Socifire from the link which is down below. Okay, if you click the link in the description, then you will land on this page of mine. In this page, if you click on any of these buttons, it states click here to all of the yellow buttons. It states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Right here, right here, right here. So all of these will lead you to the sales page of the Socifire, which is this one. And right here, if you get this product from here, get instant access today, then you will get all the bonuses directly to your account. Okay, this is costing you one time of $17, and I will show you a way how you can get it at a $5 discount. Even a $5 discount means it will cost you $12 only if you buy the product right now. Okay, which I will show you. Wait a little, but before showing you that, let me make it clear that this is only available if you buy the product before this timer hits 0. Okay, see this timer. When this timer hits 0, you will not be able to access. I do not guarantee it, but I hope you will not get access to my bonuses. So why risk it? Kindly grab it. If you wanna buy the Socifire, then kindly grab it before this timer hits 0, because otherwise I will not guarantee that you will get these bonuses to your account. Okay, so this was about this my bonus pages and going into Socifire, how to get the discount, and a little bit about the software. Let me okay, so let us first of all see what this product will do. Okay, this is a one-click software, automatically sends unlimited traffic to any link from 3 major social media platforms, which is Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, at a low one-time price. At a low one-time price, you will send unlimited traffic to any link that you want from from YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Instantly 2x, 3x, or even 5x your affiliate sales and social media reach. You can even use it for social media, and you will be getting unlimited traffic plus the step-by-step training. Okay, right now let us see what you will be getting through this product. Unlimited traffic to any link, drive traffic to your affiliate links, websites, sales funnels, or any page that you want. Commercial license included, means you can sell that traffic. 100% cloud based. Okay, nothing to install, just log in, start incoming. 30-day money back guarantee. Try it for 30 days, and otherwise if you do not like it, then get a 100% money back guarantee. 100% beginner friendly. You do not need any prior skill or knowledge. AI based analytics tool. Watch your business growing with our free high quality auto updating analysis. 5x your affiliate sales. Socifire provides high converting traffic that easily turns into sales. Okay, and 24/7 support. You will get the support from there. If you wanna need any help, then you can reach out to them and they will help you out with your query. Okay, now the pricing of this product is $17, as you are watching it here, but as I already told you that I will show you a way of how you can get it for a $5 discount. So to get a $5 discount, what you need to do is simply refresh this page. The first step is refresh this page. Okay, let me refresh this page and then show you how this will work. So as you can see, when I have refreshed this page, then that was a step number 1, refresh this page. Step number 2 is move your cursor to the address bar. Here you go. Wait, do not leave empty handed. use the coupon Socifire5 to get an instant discount of $5 right now. So apply the coupon code. This is the coupon code Socifire5. Write it down anywhere. Socifire, SOCIFIRE 5 to get a $5 discount on it. Okay, and you will get it for $12 only right now if you apply this coupon code. So I hope this was clear, and what you need to do to get that traffic is login. Step 2 is paste your link, and get number 3 is profit. It's not that much simple. You need to do the work, but the method is this one. You need to log in, you need to apply your link where you want to send traffic, and then instead of traffic it should have said actually do, means work hard or do it a few times, then you will get to see results, but not like the first link that you will paste in the software you will definitely make some commissions, or it does not happen like that. You have to work hard, you have to find the right product, you have to place the right product in front of right customers, and then you will make some commissions. Okay, so I guess this was clear. Let me now show you the sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? Sales funnel is a thing which means the offer that you are watching right here in the Socifire front end. It is the front end product. At the backstage, it is having a lot of product of its own, as you are seeing right here, which is the unlimited version, pro version, exclusive version, reseller rights. So all of these will enhance the performance of the previous or the first product. Okay, like the first product is a front end product, which is $17, and 50% commission means I will get a 50% commission. Okay, so if you buy the product for $17, then I will get around I guess $8.5, and if you buy it for $12, applying the Socifire 5 coupon code, then I will get $6 out of it. An unlimited version, $37 or $27. Unlimited means I do not think the front end product will be limited. Unlimited version, you will send unlimited traffic using this this version of the software, which is the unlimited one. It will cost you $37, but if you refresh the page, and then you can pay $27 to get the unlimited version. The Pro is again $37 or $27. Similarly, exclusive is $97 and $67, and the reseller is $37 and $27. Okay, so I guess it was clear how this product is, and let me again show you what I will be giving you if you buy the product from me. The bonus number 1 is 16 affiliate marketing courses. Bonus number 2 is 6 traffic courses. And bonus number 3 is 9 money making courses, which you will be getting if you buy Socifire before this timer hits 0. Okay. And okay, so let me see anything that I forgot to tell you in this page. Not yes, the common rates for traffic. As you can see, what people charges to get or send traffic. Solo ads, I will do solo ad promotion MLM marketing traffic, which is $85. He is charging, then he or she is charging $95, $85, $115, $100, $495. This is what they will be charging you for traffic. Okay, and there are a lot of things that you can read it in the sales page. I'm not going any deeper in this page because it will make this video a little bit longer. So at your leisure, kindly read this page entirely, what you will be getting, what are the things that you will get if you buy the product, if there is money back guarantee or not. So they have a 30-day money back guarantee. If you do not find the product to be helpful, then you can return it for before 30 days. Okay, so with a worth of $12,264, a regular price of $750 per year, you will get it today for $17 only, and apply Socifire 5, then you will get $5 discount, means you will pay only $12 if you buy the product before the coupon expires. Okay, So I guess this was clear, everything was clear to you. If there is any problem you face, then kindly comment it down below. I will try my best to answer the questions what you are suffering with, and kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. And since I only bring good product out there which releases every week, so I try to bring you only the good products, and I try to show you the proper way of making money online. So kindly subscribe to the channel, and I will meet you with another product or another training. Till then, take care, bye bye, and stay safe, and bye.